welcome back to our channel. It's called Under Our Roof. My fiance Cody and I bought this super outdated house, and now you're getting to see all of our updates and renovations that we've been doing. So this is actually the first project that we started on. We were hoping to have this whole bathroom renovated before we even moved into the house. We were planning to have it done, we can do it in a couple days. No, that didn't happen. This was the start of I wanted to film for YouTube. It was supposed to be an in-depth how we did everything. But then we started running into any problem that you can have. We ran into it, starting with the pipes right here. Everything in this house was so small and so low, so our bathtub wasn't going to fit in it, so Cody had to lift all the plumbing for that. And then we were supposed to just paint this vanity, but luckily we didn't because it's disgusting. As you can see underneath here, like, what is that? And then you'll see in a little bit we run into mold, and then that ends up setting us back about a week because we had to get that all taken care of because there was more mold than just in the spots that you're gonna see. And so that's why there's not too much in-depth video footage going on here, because this was a really stressful project. I almost started and then quit recording, but I kept going. I'm glad I did. And just to pile it on, we ended up buying this house on my birthday, March 31st of 2020, and COVID shutdown started, I think it was March 16th of 2020. So there was a lot going on and a lot of stress, but you'll see at the end, it turns out pretty cool. I'm pretty proud of it. So thanks for watching and enjoy. This is the part that I'm actually kind of upset that I didn't record more of, because Cody completely built this vanity. We had kind of a vision, an idea, and he was able to build it. I wish I could have shown more of like the start to the finish of this, because obviously this looks very undone, but he ends up making it look totally complete and great. But at least I caught it kind of in between the build, so you get to see a little bit of the transformation. And then he ended up installing this plug-in, and it's attached to the vanity lights here at the top. So when you turn that light on, the plug-in ends up turning on, getting power to it. And then he's installing these LED lights. So then when you turn on the light, the LED lights click on. So now I'm going to make the bathroom usable. Just like the rest of the house, I'm just going to use what I already have. I've been preaching that. That's what I like to start with. Use what I have, and then I'll go out and buy things later. I like to hang on the walls and things that aren't really that needed, but make it feel more like home. So here's the start of what it'll be like for now, and then eventually I'll get some rugs and wall decorations, and we'll go from here. So now my favorite part, showing you a couple of the before and after different angles. I think it really turned out pretty awesome. If you're into this style, please go back and look at our kitchen renovation. It's a similar modern black and white style like this. We also posted the living room and dining room renovations. I'm going to be having more of decorating videos. I still have to show you the master bathroom that we put together. It looks a little bit different than this. It's more grays, more spa type feel. So please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thank you.